Here up. Why is a long face? It looks like someone stole your favorite vada pav right from your plate. What's cooking? And tell me who bought it.
Ramanna, I'm not joking. I'm really frustrated. I want to just quit everything.
Suddenly, out of the blue. What happened? It looks like something cooking inside you. Come on, spill the beans.
I'm tired of speaking English, posting content, being consistent. It feels like I'm beating a dead horse.
Whoa, Ram. Life is not a bed of roses. Sometimes you have to take the bull by its horns.
Your idioms don't pay my bills. Your optimism is like putting lipstick on a pig. Every time I upload, people ignore it. My consistency has become a huge joke.
Ayya, consistency is not a joke, bro.
Oh, please stop preaching. You sound like a discount motivation speaker.
Excuse me. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not discounter. I'm a premium motivation with GST.
Ramanna, you don't understand failure. You laugh while I drown.
I love to keep us sane. If we both cry, who will pay the Wi-Fi bill? Tell me.
Life is hitting me left, right, center. I feel like throwing in the towel.
Don't you dare. Just keep one thing in mind. Winners never quit and quitters never win.
Stop giving me fridge magnet quotes. You talk big, but do nothing.
I do a lot. I motivate you for free. Be grateful. Consultancy charge is coming soon.
You're not listening. I feel like I'm running in circles.
Bro, running in circles is still running. At least you are not lying flat like a doormat.
I'm tired of trying. Success is not my cup of tea.
Whoa! Don't sip success like a tea. Gulp it like a coffee and stay awake.
You are a walking sarcasm machine. Even Siri has more empathy.
Ayyo, you give up too easily. You are like a parachute that opens before jumping.
You treat life like circus. Not everything can be solved with jokes.
Bro, I don't joke because life is easy. I joke because life is hard.
I just want peace. This battle is exhausting.
You are not tired of the journey. You are tired of failing without seeing results.
Maybe
When the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
it's easy to talk when you are not in my shoes. First, get into my shoes, understand my problems.
Aha, I have problems. I have more problems than a math book, bro.
Then why don't you complain like me?
Because complaining never solved anything.
You don't understand real struggle.
Optimism is not ignorance, it's courage. Damn it.
Positivity doesn't pay my rent.
Ayyo, negativity won't pay it either.
What if I fail again?
Aha, then fail gloriously. Fall 7 times, stand up 8.
I I don't know if I can.
Say one positive statement. Just one. Damn it.
Positive sentence? Okay. I'm capable. I can do it.
Yes. One more. Louder with energy.
I will not give up. Not this time. Why is everything around me glowing? Did someone switch on sunlight here?
That's my brother. It's a power of positive thinking.
It feels lighter, like a weight lifted off my chest.
When your thoughts change, your world changes.
Okay, I can do this one step at a time.
Slow and steady doesn't just win the race, it finishes the race.
Consistency over perfection.
Exactly. Rome wasn't built in a day.
But they were laying bricks every hour.
Yes, now you're talking my language.
I'm staying consistent. No more quitting.
Decision made, mic dropped.
Thanks, Ramanna, for not giving up on me.
I will never drop you. I will drop you your negativity anytime.
Consistency is my new superpower.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And optimism is mine.
We don't quit.